Welcome to Quick Receipt Software, the ultimate solution for effortless receipt printing for thermal printer. With Quick Receipt Software, you can streamline your operations in preparing receipt, sales invoice, and packing list for thermal printer. Generate professional-looking documents tailored to your business needs in just a few clicks. Let's take a quick demo. To begin, click on the Receipt button. In the pop-up receipt window, you can easily add items by clicking on the Load from Item List button. You may adjust the prices and quantities as needed. Just like that, your receipt is ready for printing. Customize receipts with your logo, header, line items, footer, and other fields, capturing relevant information and aligning with your business requirements. Quick Receipt software is specifically designed for thermal printers, ensuring clear and crisp prints every time. It supports both 58mm and 80mm paper rolls, providing flexibility for your printing needs. Gain valuable insights into customer behavior, item performance, sales, and revenue through our comprehensive reporting features. Upgrade your business today with Quick Receipt software. Visit our website and download a free trial to experience the efficiency and convenience it offers.